So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Depop account. So starting off, you'll need to open up your Depop website. So through there, once you're logged in, you can access your account. Now an important thing about this that you will need to access it from your mobile device as well, since uploading your verification documentation is only done through your mobile device. So once you've uploaded those through your settings, which you can access on here, so you can see some user details, you can see some preferences, two-factor authentication, support, and so on. So if you want to verify, you can do that through here as well. But usually it comes down to these changes that are updated right there. If they're not here, it means that you haven't verified your account through a different device. So as I mentioned before, you need to do it through your phone. And once that's done, you shouldn't have an issue with verification anymore. So your Depop account should be verified and you should see the verified version of it on your Depop web version after that. So if you want some basic verification, you can do that through your two-factor authentication, which can link, let's say, your phone number with your account. But for ID and stuff like that, you will need to use your mobile device. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.